Hello everyone, my name is Aubrey. Welcome to Natural Sciences Grade 7. For humans today, the world is a place of amazing discoveries. Earth and beyond is our laboratory, and our imagination knows a few boundaries. We have discovered an incredible amount about our planet, the life forms on Earth, the solar system, and the universe as a whole. Today, we look at Earth as a home to be understood and taken care of. Many problems face us, to be sure, but we believe that with science, careful, responsible thinking, and behavior, we can find the answers to our greatest challenges. We have faith in the future, in science, and in ourselves. Let's cross over to Asanda for our first question.
We're back at Trinity House School. I am so excited to be here. There's so much work to be done, lots of fun to be had. But hey, you know I can go on, so I'm just going to keep quiet because my friends have only got one thing to say.
Welcome back to Trinity
Hey guys, welcome back to the series, and today we're at Trinity House School and we're looking at lesson 3, and in today's lesson we're going to be talking about stories and science. Quite interesting. Khala, how are you doing?
I'm very good, and you?
I'm very good, thank you. So do you have any science stories for me?
No.
How do you feel about science in general, Khala?
Science isn't my strongest subject, but I don't hate it.
What's your strongest subject?
Zulu.
Zulu. Okay, awesome. And what else do you like about school?
I like the environment. It's very calm, collected, and
you can just
everybody
chill and get
knows
to-
each other, and
Nice.
it's calm. It's
Nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay, awesome. You go ahead and ask your question then.
We didn't always think scientifically, did we?
We couldn't have, but hey, let's find out what they say.
Okay.
In this lesson, you are going to see how our ancestors explained the world around them. Today, we use science, but it wasn't always like that. We're going to see that although scientists use careful rules of science, sometimes scientific discoveries can happen by accident, and this is in line with Learning Outcomes 2 and Learning Outcome 3. Learning Outcome number 2, constructing science knowledge. The learner will know and be able to interpret and apply scientific, technological, and environmental knowledge. Learning Outcome number 3, science, society, and the environment. The learner will be able to demonstrate an understanding of the interrelationships between science and technology, society, and the environment. For much of human history, people thought of Earth as a fearful place, a place ruled by an assortment of gods, giants, and demons. Storms, volcanoes, earthquakes, eclipses, and even the sun were not considered features of this planet to investigate and understand. They were considered warnings, threats, and punishments to be feared. Human and animal sacrifices were used as a form of communication and peacemaking between humans and their gods. In Mexico, the ancient Aztecs believed that the sun was a god who controlled the season and their crops, and therefore their wealth. They offered human sacrifices to the sun in order to ensure good crops. In Western Africa, a tribe of people believed that the jungle was the hair of a giant. Earthquakes happened when the giant shook his head. Not all ancient people believed the same explanations for happenings such as earthquakes. In ancient Iceland, people believed that earthquakes resulted from quarrels among the gods. They believed that the most active volcano, Hekla, was Hell's Gate, and that the lava that shot out of its crater contained the souls of the damned. Ancient Polynesian islanders believed that the goddess Pele and her sister, Namakokai, battled across the Pacific Ocean, and that a scar of each battle created each of the Hawaiian islands. These beliefs of ancient people seem what strange to us today. This is because we live in a time where scientific explanation has replaced fear-based explanation. Today, scientific knowledge is based on logic, observation, and experimentation. However, it is important to realize that these explanations sometimes change as new information becomes available to human beings. While these explanations change over time, one thing has not: that human beings will always try to explain in the most meaningful way that they can those things that they observe and those things that are important to them. Do you know of any other such beliefs that were held by ancient people? Maybe even your ancestors. This activity explores your cultural beliefs. The learner will now pause the DVD and attempt the activity. I'm sure you had many interesting beliefs to share with the class, but what are Sandra and her friends up to?
And this time I'm back with Amy. Amy, how are you?
Well, and you?
I'm very good, thank you. So tell me something exciting about Amy that you haven't told people in a while. You could have told it before, it's okay.
Actually, I've told most people I know everything.
Everything about
yeah,
you.
so.
Okay, so tell me something exciting about you. I don't know yet. What's your favorite thing to do?
I like swimming. I really enjoy reading, which most people think is very strange.
No, it's great.
And yeah, I can read a book a day. So
A book a day?
Yeah, I read often.
Okay, Amy, you go ahead and ask your question.
Can these stories be explained scientifically?
Well, can they be explained scientifically, guys?
Yes, all the natural phenomena that the ancient people explained by referring to the action of the gods can be explained scientifically today.